Will you
Mind matters.
be there
Prioritizing mental health.
for me?
In today's world, mental health is important. It's the foundation of our overall well-being and affects every aspect of our lives. It impacts everything we do, from our daily activities to our relationships with others. It affects our feelings and thoughts, shaping how we perceive the world around us. It also affects how we handle stress, make decisions, and interact with others. We all face challenges in life, whether they're big or small. These challenges can sometimes impact our mental well-being, making it essential to find ways to cope. Finding healthy outlets is crucial. Activities like meditation, yoga, or simply taking a moment to breathe can make a big difference. These outlets help us cope with stress and maintain balance, allowing us to recharge and refocus. Physical activities are known to benefit mental health. Riding a motorcycle, for instance, can be a great way to clear your mind. Exercise releases endorphins, which act as natural mood boosters, helping us feel happier and more energized. Even a short walk can make a difference, providing a quick mental reset. Taking care of our mental health should be a priority. Simple practices like journaling or spending time in nature can be very beneficial. When we feel good, we can live our lives to the fullest. Embrace the journey and prioritize your mental health every day. Two wheels, open road, a unique path to wellness. Riding a motorcycle is not just about the thrill of speed or the joy of the journey. Motorcycles offer a unique way to improve mental well-being. The sense of freedom and the connection with nature can be incredibly uplifting. Riding combines physical activity with mental stimulation. Each twist and turn on the road requires focus and agility. The open road provides a sense of freedom and adventure. The vast landscapes and the endless horizon can make one feel truly alive. This can be incredibly liberating for the mind. The wind in your face and the open sky above can clear your thoughts. It allows us to escape from daily routines, leaving behind the hustle and bustle of city life. We find peace on the open road. The focus required while riding can be meditative. Every moment on the bike demands our full attention. It demands our full attention, clearing our minds of worries. This intense focus helps in reducing stress and anxiety. This focused state can reduce stress and anxiety. The rhythmic hum of the engine and the smooth ride can be soothing. Motorcycling is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a holistic experience that nurtures both the body and the mind. It's a journey for both the body and the mind. Embrace the ride and discover a unique path to wellness. Ride free, feel free, unleashing the mind on the open road. There's something magical about the open road that calls to the soul. Imagine the feeling of wind in your hair as you ride. The sense of liberation is unparalleled. The world rushes by as you focus on the road ahead. It's exhilarating. Every twist and turn brings a new thrill. Motorcycling offers a sense of freedom that's hard to find elsewhere. It's a unique blend of adventure and peace. The open road becomes a canvas for adventure and exploration. Each journey is a story waiting to be told. Every ride is an opportunity to escape routine and embrace the unknown. It's a break from the mundane. It's a chance to clear your head, and feel truly alive. The serenity of the ride is unmatched. This sense of freedom can be incredibly empowering. It builds confidence and a sense of self. It reminds us that we have the power to choose our own paths. Every decision is a step towards a new adventure. Section 4. Nature's Embrace. Reconnecting with the world around us. Motorcycling allows us to connect with nature in a profound way. We experience the world through our senses: sight, sound, and smell. The fresh air, the scent of pine trees, the warmth of the sun. It's invigorating. These sensory experiences can be incredibly grounding. Riding through scenic landscapes can be breathtaking. It reminds us of the beauty that surrounds us, often unnoticed in our busy lives. This connection with nature can be a powerful antidote to stress. It allows us to reconnect with something larger than ourselves. Section 5. Zen and the Art of Motorcycling. Finding meditation in motion. Riding a motorcycle requires complete focus. We are constantly aware of our surroundings, making split-second decisions. This focused state of mind can be similar to meditation. It quiets the constant chatter in our heads, bringing a sense of calm. The rhythm of the engine, the flow of the road, the coordination of our movements. It becomes a dance between rider and machine. This meditative experience can be incredibly therapeutic. It allows us to find moments of peace amidst the chaos of everyday life. Section 6. The Science of Serenity. Evidence for riding's benefits. Scientific studies support the mental health benefits of motorcycling. Research shows that riding can reduce stress hormones like cortisol. One study found that motorcycling increased participants' focus and attention levels. This improved mental clarity can be beneficial in daily life. Real-life experiences also highlight the positive impact of riding. Many riders describe feeling happier, calmer, and more focused after a ride. These findings provide evidence that motorcycling isn't just a hobby, it's a powerful tool for improving mental well-being. Section 7. Hit the road, heal your mind. Embracing the therapeutic ride. Motorcycling offers a unique and powerful way to improve mental health. The combination of physical activity, mental stimulation, and connection with nature is truly therapeutic. The sense of freedom, the meditative experience, and the opportunity for adventure can do wonders for our well-being. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your mental health, consider giving motorcycling a try.
Keep breathing.